My name's Dan Canham. I work as a dancer and a performer. This show that I'm working on has got the working title Ours Was the Fen Country. Basically over the last 2 years pretty much I've travelled around the Fens seeking people to talk to, and there's a particular emphasis on ways of life that are dying out.
Dad was horsekeeper, yeah. Shire horses, Suffolk punches. There's nobody no prouder than me when I walk around the ring with a horse. Nobody, I don't care who they are.
The Fens are a strange place. They're very flat. You can see for miles in any given direction. It's just barren in some places, which can be very beautiful and can be very bleak, and it's almost like an edgeland, like you're at the end of the earth almost, and you get these strange characters out there. And for me, it's a very evocative place, and I wanted to make a piece that somehow used dance, used sound, used people's words to conjure up elements of that beauty and of that bleakness.
I've bred different sorts of butterflies and moths as well, because my granddad used to breed butterflies and moths. He used to breed the swallowtails as well. So I've always been interested in it and that, and I used to come down here a lot to get some insects for tropical fish.
One of the sources for this project is an article in a Granta book called Ghost Species by Robert McFarlane, I think, and he writes about rural ways of life in East Anglia, in Norfolk particularly, that are dying out, and the idea that there are people who kind of represent a ghost species who won't be around in 50 years' time, and they're the last of their line. And that seemed like a really kind of fruitful idea for me, a really fertile idea. And so we've been playing a lot with just people's voices, almost as if they're not with us, you know, so placing people's voices in little speakers, or having their voices disembodied, what it means to embody their voices, almost as if we're kind of bringing them into the room, making them visible, making them embodied, because they're not with us, literally.